My dear children of class 12, today we will learn An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum by Stephen Spender. Now, before knowing the poem, we should know the background of the poem first. This poem was published in the year 1964, and this is an outstanding example of political voice. And this poem expresses Spender's ideology on government, economics, and education. It's written during the civil rights movement in the US. Commentary on racist issues, socialist proclamation against capitalism and social injustice. Though British, Spender's extreme left-leaning political ideologies were in response to the global question concerning social injustice. Hence, this poem has a universal significance. In this poem, Stephen Spender depicts the injustice which prevails in society. He talks of social injustice and class inequalities, denial of opportunities to slum dwellers, and also manifests his thoughts on the widening gap between the haves and the have-nots. He somewhere or the other seems to be hitting hard at the capitalist economy, which helps the rich to get richer and the poor poorer. The civil rights movement in America had gained pace, and Spender's poem supports it when he exposes the condition of the haves and the have-nots. The poem lucidly brings forth the miserable condition of the children of the slum and the inadequate educational facilities provided to them. And this poem talks of racial discrimination and is a socialist proclamation that a country can prosper only if education reaches to the downtrodden in the society. In this poem, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum, Spender beautifully brings out the themes of social injustice and class inequalities. And this is the principal theme in the poem. The poet constantly highlights the issues faced by underprivileged children and appeals authorities to take remedial steps. Poverty is also another theme of the poem. The poet creates an image of children in poverty. It is poverty that has caused the children to be weighed down, diseased, and twisted. The poet believes that poverty is created through the oppressive power of capitalism. He uses literary devices like the simile and metaphor to effectively convey the despondence of underprivileged children.